Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are with another video on this 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. Okay, let's go. I will show you what I'm doing right now. So basically, maybe 1.5 weeks ago, that's few days, I lost a door latch on my driver's side door. I had only single access to my car from that passenger side door. I was jumping a lot of borders inside my car in last few days. So now finally I got the new one. Here's the old one. Here's the old one. I lost the old one. Here's the old one. So what happened basically? How can I explain? Okay. So here, this is a door latch. When you close the door, this thing goes in and it locks the door. So basically this should be locked here, but in my case it's totally free. I was not able to lock the door, I was not able to shut the door. Okay, I will show you a single device that was holding my door from last 1.5 week. This piece of whatever, half duct tape and half whatever it is, rope you can say. So old door latch is gone now. This thing is already gone. I have a new one. I already changed the, what is this called, cable on it. How I did this, it's just a simple mechanism. Open this thing up, remove the cable from here, remove it from here, put it on the other one. Close this thing. It's done. It's done. Let me show you if this thing is working. If it is working, let me show you guys. It's working. Okay, come. Let's go in the light. See, this is how it should work. That thing should work. This is how that thing should work. It's locked. It's not coming out. So when I pull out on this thing, it will come out. Okay. So now I'm gonna replace the old one and I'm gonna place this new one inside. I'll show you guys how to open a door on 6th gen Camaro. 6th gen, like 2016 and above, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think 2022s are already in the market, I'm not sure. But till 21, this thing will work. Okay, don't just ignore my matters. So, what we are doing here? There are 3 boards that we have to remove. In order to remove this whole door panel, everything will come out, lights, everything over here will come out. It's just one panel, so we have to remove 3 screws. One is behind this door handle. There is 1 screw over here. So now what we are doing, there is 1 screw over here, 1 in here, it's deep inside, and 1 behind this thing. This thing will come out easily. Don't be scared if you are pulling out this thing. Just pull it out. It will come out. It will not. Yeah, it will come out. There is 1 screw in here. So it's total of 1, 2 and 3 screws. We have to untie these screws and then whole panel will come out. It's just, after these screws, it just clips all around the body of this panel and we just need to pull really hard to take it off. Let me remove the screws, then I will show you guys what to do. Okay, you can pause now. Are you guys already back? Okay, I got what I need. This is 7mm bit, so we need this bit to open the screws up. Just, it's easy, it's not that hard. Here it is. This is 1, and then second one is in here somewhere. Okay, I got the second one too. And third one is in here. Okay, got it. The screws are off. Let's take them out. This is how your things should look like. One, I put it in here because, you know, safe. And should be another one. Second one. And it's the third one. And the bit is also going in here. It's good. Now you have just clips all over the body. So just go ahead and start putting them up. See, it's easy. It's easy because I opened it before too. It's easier for me. It's not broken. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Yep, everything is out. Now what I need to do, I'll put this on the side. Right here, like this. See? So my door latch is going behind this thing in here. So I need to pull this out. It's just glue, so don't worry, it will stick again. Pull this out so you have enough room in here. And one more thing, what I want to do is just pull the mirror up so that you have enough room to work inside. Okay, what I have right here is this thing. This will go on the door latch. This functions from outside and the one on the door latch functions from inside. So there are two of them. They both functions differently. And I have these two things. This will go on the latch, obviously. Show you guys. This is the main one. This is where this one is going. It's already on. It is saying that the door is open. Okay, let me see if I can close it with this. Yeah, it's working. So it's working. I know it's working now. Let's pull this thing out again. Yep. It's good. It's working and I'm happy. So as you guys can see, there are two screws, two holes on top and one the bottom. Two on top, one in the bottom. Now this part is really tricky. Trust me guys, it's really tricky. Somehow I need to put this thing inside, place it over here and just do my thing. Just tie these screws up. That seems very easy. I know. So this green thing, it will go in here so that the lock can function through key. Then this thing will attach with this part so that this button on the door lock that will assess my keyless entry will work. After that, this thing will go on the door. I will show you guys in a bit. This will go where the hell it is, here. You guys can see this. This will function the handle outside. So this will go in here like this, simple, and this will fix up over here. Last one, this will go all the way over here, so you can put it like this, pull this backward, put it in here and leave it. Once it's fixed inside, it's done. I have all the screws over here. These three, these will go over here and in here, 1, 2, 3, and I have the thing that I'm gonna use to open these screws up. Then I have one more bolt that they gave me already. over here. They gave me a new one. I was about to use this one, but now I can just okay. So let's do the tricky part now, and somehow, you know, the boost to the boost. This is way harder, you guys can see. A lot. And now I can put in the screws, tighten it up, put in the plug. But before that, let me plug the inside. Let's just secure it with one. Okay, so it's nice and secured over here. Just tighten this up a bit. Okay, I'm good. And now just take that clip. I'm gonna clip this one. This is for the keyless entry. This is done. This in, and I can leave it loose, but I should have a thing over here. I just put this in here. Anyways, okay, so I have some broken clips inside. I just noticed I have this box full of clips. It's from Amazon. It will cost you like $10, maybe $20, depends. Everyone who is working on their cars or bikes or boats or any kind of project should have this one. This box is so helpful. So I'm gonna put in some new clips. I'm using these ones because this thing will go inside. And one more. Anything else missing? Okay. This is the second last one, and this is the last one I'm missing from my door. I'm not missing, I just removed some. So okay, so after this what you're gonna do is put this thing back on here like so. And the last one, you can see this is how it should go inside, like this, and then the rubber seal is going on top so that water is not coming inside with this thing. Just press it a little bit before attaching it on that. From this whole thing, this is the part we are attaching on the clips and on the door. So it should cover this much all the way till here. And you guys can see. Just open it up if it's so too much tighter. Okay, Hakuna Matata. This is done, lock is done, chains are done, wires are done, everything is done. So now I'm just gonna align this thing with the door and align some of the pins with the door, and the rest of them will go automatically. Yup, lining the screws, lining it up. Okay, so I have one clip stuck inside. Let me remove this thing. This is a really handy tool. You guys should have this one too. I will show you guys all my tools in another video. You can just do something like this. Clip, clip. Done. And it's nice and secured. Now let's check it. I have the keys inside, I think. Yes, keys are inside. Okay. It's unlocked. It's locked. If I try to open it up from outside, it's not. It's unlocked. Now I can open it up. Final step. There goes the one. Nice and easy. Second one and third one will be not nice and easy. These are trickier ones. Okay, the second one is also done. Get the magnetic ones. And last one. This one is also tricky. Should go. Bada boom, bada bam. Okay, I got this. Got this. Always put together every single tool you use. Don't be me. Last thing, not the last thing, second last thing, this will go just like that, and here it goes. The last part that I pulled out from this place, this will go, ta-da! Good. Everything is working perfectly. It's locked and it's open up. It's locked and it's good. So this was our review. I don't need this. This is it. Finally, after 1.5 weeks, I can drive and go inside my car from driver's side door instead of passenger side door. I will see you guys again in next video. I'm not sure what I'm gonna film next. I'm working on my English. Sorry about that. Like, subscribe, share the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Comment what you guys wanna see next. This is me, man with Maro, with the Maro, with Maro 2016 Chevrolet Camaro. See you guys in the next video. Peace.